done. Right. Right. Hello everybody. Today we are at East Tanfield Railway, the world's oldest railway. I just wanted to see what's down here. I think it's a dead end, to be honest. I drive past here all the time. Never been. It's so random to have something like that so close. Being the oldest in the world. So, the Tanfield line in the 20th century. World's oldest railway. You know, you think back to like Back to the Future 3 times. Thinking surely that's first ever one. Getting up to 88 mile an hour. But no. Just outside Stanley is the world's oldest railway. North East Railway, public warning, persons are warned not to trespass on this railway or on any of the lines. Yeah, don't do that. And look, North Pole. They would have thought it's the North Pole as well. That's a gala tent. What, should I go? Should I have a look? I think it's closed. Hello. Nah, probably can't go through this way then, but it doesn't matter anyway, because I think there's old railway cars and stuff fucking look in. It's a beautiful day. It was nearly Phoenix window this morning. I thought, got up, I've been up since like 5:45. I thought, right, let's do Phoenix window. Put my coat on, got my backpack, and then I took off my coat, put my backpack back, and yeah, made myself a cup of coffee and chuck the telly on. Laziness. But also I want to do the Phoenix window one on the Christmas market nights. The Christmas markets in Newcastle start on the 16th of November, which I think is Friday or Saturday. So within the next week I'll do the Phoenix window video and Christmas markets. Phoenix window has to be better than last year since it was only cardboard cutout. Has anybody seen Phoenix window? It's been open for a week. A week today. I haven't heard anybody say anything about it. I think that's a shop. Right. I've got a sign down here. Let's have a look at it. Have we got any train spotters watching? Anybody that's really interested in railways? It's never been too much something for me, but certainly not a dislike or anything either. Hey, what's this? Pause if you want to read. I'll get closer. Oh, that wind's picking up. I'll not read it, is. I'll just put the camera on it, and if you need a pause or anything, do so. It's you can tell we're in November now. Even a week ago, you still had that bit of warmth in the air, but it's starting to get chilly now. You can feel the cold, which is good. I'm a winter person. Can I go in that train over there? Right, we've got some exploring to do, I think. That's what we do. Stop, look, listen. Right, I'll stop and look, and I can hear wind. I mean, I'm assuming I can be down here. There's nothing stopping us. Let's dance. Can't get on that, unfortunately. Got a works van down here. Should I do a stand by me and walk along the lines for a bit? Hold on. What's the song of Stand By Me again? They sing. I know there's the word paladins in it. A paladin, paladin. Yep, that's Stand By Me. Speaking of films, anyone seen Alien Romulus? I got 40 minutes into it. Had to turn it off. It was too bad. I may have missed better parts, but I couldn't do it. Right, I spoke to my sister and she says there's 2 trains that you can go in, but I think I've come the wrong way. But so what? We'll stand by me again. Back on the tracks. Oh, I don't know, maybe you could have went in there. I can see trains in there. Not building through the windows. We'll find a way in. I'll see if I can find a crowbar or something. Or not. World's oldest railway in Stanley. If this was in any other country, there would be museums, millions upon millions of pounds spent on it, dollars or whatever. But in England, it's just another thing. Barely even a signpost. Unbelievable. I think we'll go up these steps here. I don't think I'm missing anything here. Huge, I think that's the thickest kingspan I've ever seen. Oh no, we've got something here. I can hear somebody. That's actually a workshop. I don't think I'm allowed to go in there. What about this building then? Can I go in there? Oh, you can smell the oil. Look at all the scrap. Look at these. I mean, let's have a look in. Look at these wooden ones. Can I climb that high? Can I? No, that wood looks rotten as well. I think it's a dust. I don't know if you can get in. I think it's a dust biter though if I try it. It will just turn into a YouTube short, unfortunately. Could probably. Again, that wood's rotten. Look at all the benches. That would have been a pristine carriage at one point. The turner here. All water down there. It is, that'll never dry. Tom's tank engine. What was a green one called? Anyone know? Was there a green one? Was it Henry? I don't know. Yeah, I had to take advantage of the sunny day of the day. I'm coming straight from the care home. I thought, right, drive straight here on a Monday afternoon. Can't be that packed, can it? What on earth was this thing? American pickers will have that. Right, I think we might go back up them steps I've seen. No, we'll keep exploring anyway. Oh. All the cobwebs in that. There's just loads of old trains. Oh, giant cobwebs. Where you see giant cobwebs, you might see giant spiders. Ow. Gonna have to do it. Balancing on the beam. Done. There's just loads. Steam locomotives. You could film one hell of a horror film here. Or even, you couldn't have Western, that would make no sense. Everything looks about 400 years old. I'm the only person down here. I don't think you're meant to be down here, like. But if you stayed on the path, then I suppose life would always be boring. I don't think anyone will find us though. Somebody's already been lost here, I think. I'm making a joke. There's anything written on that, is there? No. I think that's the end of the line thing, actually. I don't know what wood that is. That would be like Sunnyside, maybe? Actually, no, it wouldn't be Sunnyside. I don't know where that would be. Sunnyside's the opposite direction. We'll walk down here. See if we can find Doc Brown, Marty. It's his kids. First sunny day in like a week. Look at that giant World War I helmet there, look. Who wore that? Now that is a massive World War I helmet. I think you could get up there, like if you were in a pinch. You were camping it, was lamping it down. It'd be like finding a gold mine coming to this place. You can have a roof over your head. I don't know if you'd be breathing anything good in though. This coach, you can just tell that used to be a posh one, I think, this one. Unfortunately, it probably cost about 5 million quid to restore it. Look at that. I'm not going to shout hello in case someone answers. And all these railway lines here, look, unused. The lines and then the bit that goes across the middle. Again, I'm not a train person, so I don't know the names of stuff. Can I go in that building? Actually, no, it was that building over there, wasn't it? Oh, see, someone's got a chair over there. No, can't get there that way though. See, there's a chain here. No, we'll not. Can't take the mick too much. We'll go back up that ramp. I don't know if this is it or if I'm missing loads of stuff. Because the map, got a thing for maps at the front. There's no maps in it, so I don't really know where to go or what to do. I know this is just down from, like, if you're not sure exactly where it is, literally you just drive through Beamish. Take your left at the bottom instead of going towards Sunnyside and half a mile down the road, I think. And then obviously you've got some nice trails around here. Headley Hall Woods is just along the road. Beamish Woods. I did see another trail I didn't know existed, but I think it takes you straight to Headley Hall Woods and there's no way to loop around. I'll probably not do that one. Nice view though. It's been like a week since I've done a video. I don't deliberately go out to make videos. It's a hobby, so if I want to go somewhere, I'll go and I'll take the camera with us. But I don't deliberately just think, need to make a video and just make something random. If I'm not interested in it really, I won't do it. I've drove past here so many times over the years. I just noticed the sign's being changed. Caught my eye the other day. There's a new Starbucks in Stanley. Well, not new, but pretty new. I drove past it on the way back. Great, the planes are out. Well, we've got one day of sun. A trail down there. No idea what all that is or why all them cars are there. I can hear people in this hut. Could go in there on the way back. But as for now, my lace is loose. So I want to get this fastened. Those of you can see how I fasten the lace, it's weird, I know, if you can see. It's just the way I've always done it. See if I can get some photos. My thumbnails are pretty terrible usually, so... That's so bright, the sun! See what's long here then. Been looking at that Bishop Auckland, a glue, I think it's called. It's expensive, like, but it's a nighttime thing. That could be fun. I think that starts the end of next week. Oh, look at the planes, man, they're all over the place as soon as it gets sunny. That's Stanley up there. If this turns into a what do you call it, a nature walk, then I might just make this 2 videos and just make what I've just done there as the Tanfield Railway video. But to be honest, I'm not sure if I'm going to be bothered again for a walk. I'm thinking miles upon miles on. We'll see. Where's he just come from? What's down there? Well, it's getting into a nice Jeep. 150 grand Jeep. I think that's... There must be a working thing around here or something. So I can only assume they're for work. It's not the visitors' car park. We'll go to the end of here and then I think I'll walk back to the hut and see if I'm missing anything. If not, then fair enough. It's a free hour out. Didn't cost anything to come here. Might have a new trail here though. Always on the lookout for trails. No motor vehicles. Anyone driving or riding a motor vehicle on this land will be liable to prosecution and may have their vehicle confiscated. Jail terms of up to 200 years may not happen. Yeah, I think this is gonna turn into like a... It's not really a countryside walk, to be honest. I didn't get my bearings to think about where that would take us. Right, hold on. Sunny side's that way. Stanley in concert that way. Would that be Wickham? High Wickham, maybe? I'm going to go to the corner out of curiosity. Keep the children of the corn in there. Keep out of that. Zachariah. Beamish Museum Halloween was really fun. That video is on my channel if you haven't seen it, and if you want to do it next year. It was well worth the money. I thought it was only 20 quid. There's loads of stuff in there. They turn all the dentist houses and all that into haunted houses. It's funny. I'm glad I went. Nah, this isn't taking us anywhere, is it? It's going to stay a big track. I'm not even going to attempt that. I think that's going to take us to a farm. The only thing, I'm going to walk to this light on the left. God, I've barely even been out of the house lately. Just ill. It's nice to be out. Looking forward to doing the Newcastle video though. I haven't done any on St James's Park yet. I had a couple on before I took everything off. This isn't a trail either, is it? Nope. Looks like somewhere to turn around maybe. Right, let's head back. Also cracking rain yesterday. Beaten Forest 3-1. Was that yesterday? Yes it was. I'll bring you back when I get near the hut. Unless you're enjoying this little path. Right, I'll make a decision. Here's that nice Jeep. I'm saying Jeep, it's not a Jeep, it's a Land Rover like. But yeah, that's not getting stuck anywhere. I don't know what people do in that place, but there's some nice cars. Must be some kind of Channel 4 restoration programme or something. That bloke's just got loads of Amazon boxes. Keep clothes on there. Right, let's check out the hut. Does it get busy here in the summer? Lots of picnic tables. I'm going to say it does. I mean, it's November on a Monday, like dinner time. I wouldn't imagine there'd be anyone here. Right, we're coming up to the hut. I've just seen loads of workers down there at this big building, so I'm assuming I couldn't have went in. About 6 people in orange overalls. And it's closed down there where that tent was. So North Pole on them signs, that tent, they must be doing a Visit Santa thing. And I have heard of that Tanfield Railway does that, so I don't know when that starts. See the maps in the window? I want one of them maps. I don't. Is this door open? I can actually get tea and coffee in there.
Hello.
Alright mate, do you mind if I take one of these leaflets off the window?
Yeah, so
Is that for here?
they're just the Visit County Durham ones, so they've got everywhere in just around this area.
Oh, that'd be excellent, cheers.
We've typically, I think we've run out of our leaflets, and I might have a spare one here.
Or the boots and wellies. We'll get a couple. Don't say it now.
Yeah, there's one there.
Alright, excellent. I've been walking around, there isn't any like you can go any bit. Can you go in any of the buildings or anything?
You can go in the engine shed. The engine shed should be open, and the carriage shed is open. We're not usually open to the public through the week.
Oh, right.
But the site should be open to have a look around if you want to go in there.
I've had a good look around, like down there, walking around. It's just, I've seen a lot of workmen and that down there. I didn't know if I could go in, I don't know if
Oh, yeah, sure. If the stone building, if the front doors aren't open, that's our engine shed.
Right.
Which is just the one that you can see directly in front. If the big doors on the front aren't open, if you just walk around the side there'll be a green door.
Right.
And you can go in and have a look at all the logos which are in there.
All right, excellent.
And similar with the green shed, which is just in front of us, that's our carriage shed.
Right.
And again, if the big doors aren't open, there's just a little side door on the side. And there's a lady in there who's painting one of our steam engines. This one here.
All right.
It's getting painted. So, yeah, if you want to have a look down there, feel free.
Yeah, we'll do, yeah. I'll go
right,
back down. Excellent. Thanks very much for these. No, eh? There we're gone. I think I was going to leave there. And everybody watching was thinking, get in. It's nearly the end of the video. Well, it's not. You've got more train stuff to look at. You can't just turn it off, but that wouldn't be very nice. You're stuck with us now, looking at trains. Let's check some out. So these two buildings, this one here and this one here. This has got a green door on the side, and it wasn't open because I stand by me down there. So we'll go back down, we'll have a look at it. Might as well keep it going a bit longer. All I'm going to do is just nothing else for the day. Tomorrow, on the other hand, I think I'm going to see him. And if I am going to see him, which is probably in between Sunderland and Peterlee, I'll do a video and see him. I don't think I've been to see him before. Maybe drove through it. Right, so he says there's a green door on the side. And I'm going to say it's this side. Are we still recording? We are, but that's some lovely wind noise for you. Breathe it in. Breathe in the wind noise. Right, we've got a second wind. Train style. Green door on the I don't know which. Well, that can't be it. Can it? No, that's not even a door. Oh, was it all just a laugh? Unless it's the next one. I don't know what's this. Oh, you can just smell the oil. Hiya. I'm okay, just have a little look around.
Oh, by all means. Right, it's really more than that working on 49, but have a look around, please.
Excellent, thanks very much. Alright, man. Said something about 49, not 49. These are the proper ones, these, so they are restoring them. So that must be what all the cars are for. These ones must have been. They look pretty much brand new. I miss this, like that smell of oil though, was lovely. Can I get up here? Did he say I could? I couldn't. Right, I'm going to attempt it. Right, where's the noise making thing? Everything echoes in here. So that's how you go into the future. You pull it down and you go into the past. Well, proper Back to the Future 3 did here. I'm never getting back down them steps, like, oh look there. Should I do it? Nah. I don't think it would work anyway, but I think it would deafen any for everybody. Oh, but how do you even get under that step? My train's from Stanley, right, this is it. This is my life now, guys. I can't get off here. That step's like kind of in. I may get a Just Eat. Oh, then let's attempt it. My backpack's getting caught on everything. Oh. There we go. Sorted. Got my life back. Boiler empty. I'm gonna climb up this one now, it's got loads of nails and stuff. And I'll not go up 49. Because I don't know what he said about number 49 and that's this one here. I'll not go into the workshed bit. There's loads of people in there and not too interested in that. I could just breathe this smell in all day, to be honest. Right, Horden Stanley. So these are all named after places around here. Oh look, there's more room in this one. We're going no power. Oh, is he coming back? Right, I'm going up. Pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna get caught. Will do, mate. I'm going to get down in a second anyway. I just wanted to have a quick look.
No, just anybody falls, you know.
Right, my fault if I do, mate. Yeah, it looks like I wasn't meant to. Right. See? Can I just go anywhere, can I? I'll probably fall now. Right. Pushed me luck. Random buckets. They must be for people being sick from all the steam. That's where they keep all the cloths. Put loads of cloths in there for no reason, and then at the end of the journey you wipe your brow. But I mean, everybody knows that. Hold on, that's away. Cheers, mate. See you later. Maybe you're not meant to go on the trains then. So I'm going to say ask. I think my sister set us up because she said you could. I'm blaming her. So what we've done, we've stand by, mate. We're Back to the Future 3'd it. I can't think of any train related films. Can anyone think of any train related films? Chuck it in a comment. Polar Express, before anyone puts that in. Not if I get any comments anyway, but if you're going to, then beat you to it. And you already half typed it. And I know there's not a number 2. Or is there? Oh, I'm just from down a couple of miles down the road.
Oh, I see.
But I drive past here all the time.
Aye.
I just thought I'd call in to see what it's like. My sister was here a few weeks ago. She said she was up on the trains and all that.
Oh, right, aye. Trains are stopped until the Santa Claus trains start.
I noticed that down there, the North Pole thing.
Yeah, so getting everything ready for that.
I've heard about the Tanfield Railway. I've never been or anything but I can see is already. Is that soon? Is it?
Yeah, I think it's 3 weeks time. The
Right.
trains
So
start.
pretty much the beginning of December.
I think it's 20 days or more that we're running trains to. Is it that many? Something like that. It's
Right.
quite a lot of days. It's very heavy, intense work, but it makes a lot of money. So
Yeah, I bet. Yeah.
Yeah. We've got all the old carriages in that shed. Other sheds was jumping.
Right.
Plenty of stuff.
Yeah, it was fun in there. I liked having a little bit. I was just on my way home. So I didn't know you could go in because I walked the wrong end. I walked up that way and around, and I didn't know you could go in there. There was a bloke in the hut up there that told us I could. So
Oh yes. Oh well.
I thought I'd come back down and have a little look before I left.
On most days, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah.
You did say it was quiet through the week, like, so I was just going to come back on the weekend anyway. Well, thanks very much. See you later. He's a friendly bloke. Do a look in the other shed. I'm not keeping these here for longer than you want to be, or he's riveted. I mean, I'm taking the neck. I actually enjoy this kind of stuff. This has been really fun for me. So, in windy conditions, exercise extreme caution when opening this door. Will take off your nose and fingers. It's locked. Well, that's that then. That door is locked. Might be on the dinner or something. That's always enough. No, you did say you go through the little door if the big doors aren't open. Probably playing poker or something. Like other train films before I end the video. Train films, what we've got. Oh, you've got to be joking, man. There's got to be loads. Under Siege 2. Guarantee someone's just deleting the comment. Apparently mine's went blank. Episode of Firefly. Last year, it was when I still had the business, like, do Christmas giveaways, do it on Instagram, and then write in the comments what your favourite Christmas song is, then do a random like a random giveaway, random number thing. But unfortunately I haven't got anything left this year, so I don't think there'll be any Christmas giveaways. In fact, I don't even know if I still know the password for the Instagram. My niece has got it. It's probably using it to sell fake nails or something. Right, so let's try and get past. Oh, he's gone that way. Right, well, you know what? I had fun. That was fun. And look, my hands are covered in oil. Let's get some more photos first though. So we've got one at the railway track. And see if I can get this. So it looks like this. They only sell coffee in there on the weekend. I'd rather get that. Like that. Like that. One photo gets kept, the rest are chucked into digital hell. You know what? There's a walk around here. Cozy Arch. Right, this video might get longer. So I've seen a sign for like this viaduct thing. but it will probably mean editing some of this video out, unless it's been, no, I'm going to keep it in. I'll make it a bigger video if I can get caught. Might come back.